Daily English Lesson 9, at the supermarket. Today's lesson focuses on language used at the supermarket, one of the most common places people visit in daily life. Supermarkets are great places to practice English because you interact with signs, packages, workers, and other shoppers. In this lesson, we will explore useful vocabulary, practical expressions, and real conversations you may hear or use. We will also look at tricky words that confuse many learners and explain them with simple examples. Let's begin by talking about what a supermarket is. A supermarket is a large store that sells food, household items, drinks, and everyday products. The word aisle refers to the long paths between shelves inside the store. For example, the cereal is in aisle 7. Knowing how to describe aisles makes shopping easier. Now let's introduce several key vocabulary words that often appear in supermarkets. The word checkout means the place where you pay for your items. Example, the checkout line is very long today. The term cart means a metal basket with wheels used for carrying your groceries. Example, I pushed my cart to the fruit section. A basket is a smaller container you carry with your hands. Example, I only need a few items, so I will use a basket. Next, let's talk about the phrase on sale. When something is on sale, its price is temporarily lower than usual. For example, these apples are on sale for half price. Shoppers pay close attention to sale signs because they help save money. Now let's explore the layout of a typical supermarket. The produce section contains fresh fruits and vegetables. Produce means natural, uncooked food that grows on farms. Example, I bought fresh produce this morning. The dairy section includes milk, cheese, yogurt, and butter. The bakery section sells bread, cakes, and pastries. The frozen section holds ice cream, frozen meals, and vegetables. Each section is organized to make shopping more efficient. Let's learn useful phrases that help you find items. Where can I find the sugar? Is there a section for international foods? Which aisle has the cleaning products? These questions are simple but very helpful when you cannot find something. Now let's look at interactions with supermarket staff. A staff member is an employee who works in the store. Example, the staff member helped me find the noodles. Staff often answer questions politely and quickly. Here are common things they might say. It's in aisle 10. We are out of stock right now. Out of stock means the store has no more of that item. Example, the store is out of stock on eggs today. We will restock this tomorrow. Restock means to put new products on the shelves. Example, they restock the bread every morning. Now let's introduce real-life dialogue to help you hear how natural conversation sounds. Dialogue 1, asking for help. Excuse me, where is the rice? It is in aisle 6, near the cooking oils. Thank you, I appreciate it. You're welcome. Dialogue 2, price check. Hi, is this item on sale? Yes, it is $2 off today. Great, I will take 2 of them. Dialogue 3, at the checkout. Do you have your membership card? I do. Here it is. Would you like a bag? Yes, please. 1 bag is fine. Now let's explore difficult phrases that often confuse learners. The phrase, buy one, get one free means you pay for one item and receive another item without paying extra. Example, the soda is buy one, get one free. The word expiration date refers to the last day a product is safe to eat. Example, check the expiration date on the milk. The phrase best before means the food is still good, but quality is highest before that date. Example, these cookies are best before April 20th. Let's talk about common real-life situations. Sometimes shoppers compare prices between brands. A brand is the company that makes the product. Example, this brand of pasta is cheaper than the others. Other times people check the labels for ingredients. Ingredients are the things used to make the product. Example, this juice has no added sugar. Now let's explore polite language used in supermarkets. Excuse me, may I get through? Sorry, let me move my cart. Is anyone waiting in this line? These expressions help you navigate busy aisles without misunderstanding. Let's discuss self-checkout stations. A self-checkout is a machine where customers scan and pay for items themselves. Example, I used the self-checkout because the line was shorter. Self-checkout machines may ask you to scan each item. They may also ask, do you need a bag? They may say, please place your item in the bagging area. Now let's explain a tricky concept, unit price. Unit price means the cost per single measurement, such as per kilogram or per liter. Example, the unit price shows which product is actually cheaper. Understanding unit price helps shoppers make smart decisions. Let's explore the topic of coupons. A coupon is a small discount that lowers the total price. Example, she used a coupon to save $1 on cereal. Coupons may be digital or printed. Some stores accept both forms. Let's talk about produce selection. Shoppers often check for freshness. Freshness means the food is recently harvested and good in quality. Example, these tomatoes look very fresh today. People look for bright colors, firm texture, and clean surfaces. Now let's examine a realistic shopping scenario. A shopper enters the supermarket with a list of items. They pick up a cart and walk to the produce section. They choose apples, lettuce, and carrots. Next, they move to the dairy section for milk and cheese. Then they check the frozen section for vegetables. Finally, they go to the checkout to pay. This routine is common everywhere in the world. Let's discuss one more concept, store loyalty programs. A loyalty program gives rewards or discounts to frequent shoppers. Example, he earns points every time he shops. Points can sometimes be exchanged for discounts or free items. Let's talk about the final step of shopping, packing. Some supermarkets provide bags for free. Others charge a small fee to encourage recycling. Recycling means using materials again instead of throwing them away. Example, I brought my own bag to help with recycling. Now let's talk briefly about cultural differences. In some countries, supermarket workers pack your items for you. In other countries, customers pack their own items. Some countries have very quiet supermarkets. Others play music and make announcements. These differences shape the shopping experience. Before we end, let's add a short advanced dialogue to practice listening. Dialogue for a detailed conversation. Excuse me, do you know where the organic section is? Yes, it is next to the bakery, on the right side. Are these vegetables locally grown? Yes, the sign says they come from nearby farms. Great, I will get some. Are they on sale today? Yes, all organic greens are 10% off. Now let's move to our review section to summarize today's lesson. Review section, key points from Lesson 9. Supermarket areas include produce, dairy, bakery, frozen, and checkout. Important vocabulary, aisle, cart, basket, on sale, out of stock, restock, brand, Expiration date. Useful questions. Where is the underscore underscore underscore? Is this on sale? Which aisle is it in? Dialogues involve asking for help, checking prices, and paying at checkout. Self-checkout requires scanning and bagging items yourself. Unit price helps compare products. Coupons and loyalty programs help save money. Cultural differences affect how supermarkets operate.